What's going on, everybody? This is A.Hobbs with Edge Welding Cups. I'm part of the Edge Army, and I want to do just a quick little chat about cleaning your cups. So last week, no, actually wasn't last week. It was a few weeks ago. I was doing an intercooler, and if anybody knows, intercoolers are extra filthy, and that's what my cup looked like. I hope you can see that. I'm not really sure, but it's filthy. And what I do is, and these are some other cups, and yeah, I think this is one of them. So what you can do is, when you have a dirty cup like this, right, obviously this affects your how clean your welds are. Like, I'm gonna actually pull, I just noticed this, I'm gonna pull this out. This diffuser is probably ruined because of just the contamination and stuff that it was picking up from the AC. If you get your cups dirty like this, you can actually save them and clean them. And I want to show you how. So I didn't come up with this. This is something that I was just trying to figure out. Hey man, when you get a dirty cup, how do you clean it? I remember talking to Jason McCullum about it years ago, and he told me the SOS pad. So I thought about it, and I was like, okay, that makes sense. So I got an SOS pad, and you know, I use water or whatever, but then I started thinking about it, and I was like, man, one of the most destructive detergents there is Dawn. So I'm gonna take a break, and I'm gonna come back, and you'll see how I clean these and what it looks like. So remember, it looks like that. That's not a terrible one. And here's just another one, same thing. You can see the black on the edges. So, all right. I bought this specifically to clean my cups. So the way I do it is I literally just turn it on, gotta clean it, do that, put a couple squirts in there because this stuff is super destructive. It cleans oil, cleans anything. Put it through there, don't drop it. Oh, it's slippery. Go in from the small inside so you can actually grab it, and just stuff it through there. Right? And see, it's much easier to grab. And once you get it, just kind of pull it through. Cut a piece of it off if you want, and literally just pull it through. Like, you can already tell it's getting cleaner already. And I literally just turn it until it's clean. It might not get it perfectly clean, and obviously, you know, stainless steel is gonna clean it up, you know, but you can clean it on the outside as you're doing it. Squeeze it, just keep turning. So you can already see it's much cleaner already. And you just literally keep repeating that until you're getting the results you want. So I like to use it Dawn because, like I said, it's destructive but safe, right? I think they talk about that on the commercial. Shout out to Dawn, right? But use it, stuff it in there, and just keep on turning it until you get all that crud off of there. And once you get all the crud off, man, dry it off and put it back in there. The best part about it is it doesn't scratch the bottle. You know, I can't tell you how this will work with other cups, but I can tell you for sure with Edge, it works. They blow their own glass. They're really good at it in welding. Edge Welding Cups, Edge Welding Army, and I'm going to keep on cleaning this. Y'all take care. Here is the finished product of that. It's not really finished, I just kind of stopped. But you can see it's way cleaner than what it was before. Cup lives again. All right, that's Edge. It's my GL5Q, but you get the point. Much cleaner than what it was, and you just keep on running and not have any contamination issues. This is A.Hobbs checking out from Edge Welding Cups.